Please put your hands together for Babu K South Zone Gold Award for painting, rupees 50,000. He also gets a gold medal. Mr. Raju T, South Zone Silver Award for painting. He gets a silver medal and rupees 30,000 from Bajaj Electricals. Mr. Raju T. Mr. Vignesh Raj, South Zone Bronze Award for painting, rupees 20,000. He gets the bronze medal. Mr. Vignesh Raj. Can we have Mr. Anil, excuse me, Mr. Anil Cherukanath, please. He wins the Bengaluru Metro City Award for painting of rupees 1 lakh. Congratulations to all of you. Mr. Vignesh Raj, I think, is not here. Mr. Vignesh Raj is not here. May we please have Mr. Morkonda Shekhar, Bhaskar Bocha, Akhil Mohan, Srinivasan Sthapati, Srinivasan Natarajan, and Mr. Guru Prasad KS come near the stage, please. Please come up from your left and exit from the right. Thank you. Their left and their right. Mr. Morarka Chandrasekhar, Andhra Pradesh State Award for Painting of rupees 10,000. Mr. Bhaskar Rao Bocha, Mr. Bhaskar Rao Bocha, Hyderabad City Award for painting, rupees 10,000 from Bajaj Electricals. Mr. Akhil Mohan, the Kerala State Award for painting. Mr. Akhil Mohan. Mr. Srinivasan Rajendra Sthapati. Mr. Srinivasan Rajendra Sthapati, Nagapattinam City Award for painting, rupees 10,000. Srinivasan Natarajan, Tamil Nadu State Award for painting. There are a large number of awards, ladies and gentlemen, but they've really worked hard for it. So I think we should applaud each and every one of them and encourage them. Mr. Guru Prasad KS, Thanjavur City Award for painting. Mr. Guru Prasad KS. We don't have him here. This year, we conducted the Balanand contest for school children with the help of the Inner Wheel clubs. This was mentioned by the chairman of the function this evening. There were about 24,000 entries received from all India. From Inner Wheel District 329, located in the South Zone, we had about 3,000 entries. Bajaj Electricals Limited has given 3 scholarships for the 3 top award winners in the Balanand contest for all India, plus 3 for each zone. I'm sorry, I'll correct myself, District 319. I'm happy to announce that a 6th standard student of my school in Bengaluru has won the All India Silver Award in our Balanand contest. They will get gold, silver, and bronze awards, but no medals. Medals are only for the Kalanand winners. Let me call the award winners, and they can be accompanied by their parents and teachers near the stage. Sanjana S, Bharat Muleva, Santosh Gedavir, Disha Bharadwaj. Sanjana S, Bharat Muleva. These are young children, ladies and gentlemen. They are the future. Every child is an artist, said Pablo Picasso. Sanjana S., my school in Bengaluru, 6th standard, gets the All India Silver Award for painting and a scholarship of 15,000 rupees from Bajaj Electricals. Mr. Bharat Muleva, from my school again in Bengaluru, 8th standard, South Zone Gold Award for painting and a scholarship of 15,000 rupees. Mr. Santosh Gidavir, from VB Darbar High School in Vijaypur, 10th standard, South Zone Silver Award for painting and a scholarship of rupees 10,000. I think he's not here. Miss Disha Bharadwaj, from Jyoti Kendriya Vidyalaya in Bengaluru, 6th standard, South Zone Bronze Award for painting and a scholarship of rupees 5,000. Thank you so much for doing the honors for us. You made Ma'am, Kiran Majumdar-Shaw is our chief guest this evening. She's already been introduced, and of course, I don't think she needs an introduction, not only to the people of Bangalore, but I think to people of India. Let's give a big round of applause to Mrs. Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. She is a successful woman and is a role model for women entrepreneurs. The chairman and managing director of Biocon Limited, she has given prizes of rupees 18.5 lakhs for award-winning women artists from all parts of India. For the South Zone, she has given 3,80,000 rupees. These prizes are for the empowerment of women, something that I think is very close to our hearts and something that we really, really look forward to. A very big round of applause for Mrs. Kiran Majumdar-Shaw. She has made Biocon a large and leading biotechnology and pharma company in India. So it seems really very, very appropriate that someone like her should give the Women Empowerment Awards. May I please request you, ma'am, to come and do the honors. Like before, I'll call out the names. Please come to the stage from your left and exit from the right. Thank you. Meenal Razurkar, Jagadish Tammineni, Ashok Srirama Reddy, Komakula Shekhar, Madhumita Das, Ramya Sadashivam, Indraneel Kale, Ashwini Fardesai, Vyasali Kalindi, Anila Govindappa, Agnes Rajesh, Nitha Gopalan, and Radhika Mukherjee. Meenal Madhukar Rao Razurkar, the All India Woman Artist Award. She gets 1 lakh of rupees. Meenal Madhukar Rao Razurkar. Mr. Jagadish Tammineni, South Zone Gold Award for printmaking. He gets rupees 50,000 and a gold medal. Ashok Srirama Reddy, Bengaluru City Award. He's not here? Okay. Do we have Ashok Srirama Reddy? Okay. Ashok Srirama Reddy, the Bengaluru City Award for sculpture. He gets rupees 30,000. Congratulations. Mr. Komakula Rajashekhar, South Zone Silver Award for printmaking. He gets a silver medal and rupees 30,000. Indeed, we are a rich country in art and culture. Madhumita Das, Andhra Pradesh, Woman Artist Award for Painting. She gets rupees 25,000. Ramya Sadashivam. Ramya Sadashivam, are you here? The Tamil Nadu Woman Artist Award for Painting. She gets rupees 25,000. A big round of applause, please. Vyasili Kalidindi, South Zone Bronze Award for Printmaking. She gets a prize money of rupees 20,000 and a bronze medal. Ashwini Fardesai, South Zone Bronze Award for Ceramics. She gets rupees 20,000 and a bronze medal. Kishore Ghosh, South Zone Bronze Award for Digital Art. He gets rupees 20,000 and a bronze medal. Indraneel Kare, are you here? Indraneel Kare. Indraneel Kare, Bengaluru City Award for Painting. He gets rupees 20,000. Anila Kumar Govindappa, Bengaluru City Award for Painting. He gets rupees 10,000. We don't have him here. Agnes De Cruz Rajesh, the Hyderabad City Award for Painting. She gets rupees 10,000. Do we have Neeta Gopalan in the audience? Neeta Gopalan, Kerala State Woman Artist Award. She gets rupees 10,000. Radhika Mukherjee, Bengaluru City Award for Painting. She gets rupees 10,000. Congratulations once again to all these award winners. A big round of applause for all those who won the awards so far. Thank you so much, ma'am, for doing the honors.